Japan just figured out how to steal energy from you walking. Not joking. They built floors that generate electricity every time you step on them. Train stations, shopping malls. Your footsteps are charging phones and powering lights. And the craziest part? This technology has existed for decades.
Oh my God.
We've just been ignoring it. Let me explain how this actually works and why fat people might be the future of renewable energy. Stay with me. Every time you take a step, you're generating kinetic energy. Movement, force, pressure. That energy just disappears into the ground. Wasted. But Japan said, what if we capture it? What if every footstep could power something? So they built floors that turn your steps into electricity. And it's already working right now. This is how. The technology is called piezoelectricity. Piezo means pressure in Greek. Certain materials, when you squeeze them or apply pressure, they generate an electrical charge. We've known about this since 1880. Pierre Curie discovered it. He pressed on a quartz crystal and it produced voltage, electricity from pressure. Japan took this and built it into floor tiles. Underneath the tile, there's a layer of piezoelectric material, usually ceramics or special crystals. When you step on the tile, the pressure compresses the material. That compression rearranges electrons inside the crystal structure. That movement of electrons is electrical current. Your footstep just became electricity. One step generates between 0.1 to 10 watts, depending on how hard you step. That doesn't sound like much, but here's where it gets crazy. One footstep is tiny energy. But what about 1,000,000 footsteps? Tokyo's Shibuya crossing. About 2,500 people cross it every 2 minutes. In one day, that's 1.8 million people. If every step generates half a watt, that's 900 kilowatts per day. That could power 30 homes, just from people walking. Japan installed these tiles in Tokyo Station. 500,000 people pass through daily. They're generating enough electricity to power the ticket gates themselves, the LED displays, some of the lighting. The station is partially powered by the people using it. Now here's the question everyone's thinking, but nobody asks. Do heavier people generate more electricity? And the answer is yes, technically. More weight means more pressure. More pressure means more electrical output. A 100-kilogram person generates about 30 to 50% more energy per step than a 60-kilogram person. So, technically, yeah, bigger people are better generators. Finally, an upside. You're not overweight, you're just energy efficient. You're doing your part for renewable energy. You're welcome, Japan. But here's the catch. Why isn't this everywhere? 2 reasons. Cost and efficiency. Piezoelectric tiles are expensive. 10 to 100 times more than regular tiles. And the energy output is small. You'd need to walk for an hour to charge your phone halfway. It's not replacing power grids. It's supplemental. Good for LED lights and sensors. Not your whole house. But the technology is getting better. Cheaper materials. Better designs. Some companies are using electromagnetic induction now. You step on a tile, it pushes a magnet through a coil. More efficient. But here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't just about footsteps. This is about rethinking wasted energy everywhere. Your body generates 100 watts of heat constantly. Just existing. That disappears into the air. What if your clothes captured that? Thermoelectric fabrics are being developed right now. Rain hitting your roof. Wasted kinetic energy. Ocean waves. Cars on highways. Typing on keyboards. All wasted energy. Japan's footstep floor isn't just a cool gadget. It's proof that the energy we need we're already making. We're just not collecting it. Imagine a future where cities partially power themselves just from people living in them. Walking, driving, existing. That's not science fiction, that's engineering, and it's happening now. So yeah, Japan is stealing energy from your footsteps, and honestly they should. We're wasting it anyway. And if you're a heavier person, just know you're contributing more to renewable energy than everyone else. You're basically a walking power plant. Thanks for watching. If this made you look at the ground differently, hit that like button. Subscribe, because next video is about tech that's even weirder than this. Peace.
I'm in the drive-thru of Burger King. Can I please get a Papa Jr. with iron rings? Make it a meal so I can get a drink. Though I'm not finished, that's not everything. Can I please get a double waffle with no cheese? Can I please get a number 2 with a large drink? I got money so I don't care how much it costs me. So just throw in some extra fries, I'll make them salty. All the cheese gonna make my booty drip drip.